you see his little ears?
Yeah. You know this baby about to die, bro. The mother ain't coming back.
Oh, no. Put it in the bush, Bethany. Do it.
Put it in the bush. How?
No. But
Where's the nest at?
here, Mom said put it into this little styrofoam thingy. And I don't want to touch it.
But where's the nest?
I don't know. She said put it in the styrofoam thing and put it on top of the bush.
Lord Jesus.
One, you twist the bird, and now the mother's.
She's wearing gloves. She's good.
No, you got, but it got gloves.
Y'all,
Ooh, fudge. Damn it. I want to see baby bird.
this thing is really about to die, bro. That mother is not coming back for this thing.
Put it in the thing, Bethany. Do it.
Where is the nest?
We don't know. She said put it in the styrofoam.
We don't
And
the bush is too thick.
Is it still alive? Yep.
Yeah, it's still alive.
It's okay.
Oh my god.
Bro, I would not be touching this damn thing.
It stinks. I'm gonna go get some.
Because we
fish bait.
outside. Oh my god. Ew.
I can't smell it. I think I'm nose blind.
Nose blind. Shut the hell up, please.
This is not about to fit.
Hey, nose
Make him
blind.
fit.
Put it in the box. Dang, don't force his head.
I know.
The choco.
Okay, it's in the
This is way too small for this poor little baby.
Here, put it back in the bush. Put it in the bush.
This thing is dead. You see how that's sitting? That thing is dead.
You just killed Rip it.
What?
Yeah.
Dang, you spit on it? You trying to spit on it, bro? What are you doing?
I'm sorry. This thing is hella dead.
Stop saying that.
Bro, I gonna spit on the bird though. She just sprayed on that thing.
This thing is dead. This thing is dying, y'all. This ain't coming back.
It needs food and water.
Girl, what the? We gonna be digging
Put
for
it in the tree. Put it in
Where
the
is the nest? You think I'm gonna put it?
No, you got the phone. You put it.
Here, put it. Here, you want to put it on here? You want to put it in here? Bethany, here, you want to put it in here for now?
Somebody, use the stick.
Here, you can put it in here for now.
The door is probably cold too.
Yeah, that's why I said put it on here. Aww.
You see anything?
Oh,
Girl, that baby bird's gonna die though. Even if we put it back in that bird is dead.
no. See, Dad ain't gonna let us take care of this, bro.
Cause it's gonna die. We gonna wake up tomorrow and that thing gonna be real dead. You ain't about to be like that one dude kissing.
I'm not gonna kiss the bird.
Oh yeah, he did kiss that bird.
We don't know. We don't got the proper training to take care of the little baby bird. That thing needs its mother, and if without its mother, that thing is gonna be dead by the morning.
Bro, this is a whole experience, bro.
Like you don't even need to put Fudge down if you actually do it. Just put him in rehab.
Yeah. Look, it's okay.
Put him on rehab. He wanna play. You remember that story? Like oh wait, there was like these YouTubers and
Yeah, that
they
thing's
like
dead.
put their dog down because it bit their son, but then they were getting major
Stop
backlash
telling me
because,
this.
a lot of light. Because why?
That's a
lot of light. They bit
Baby's gonna be born
their
blind.
son.
There's mosquitoes.
Okay, I can just. All right, I'm gonna need flight. It's okay.
This video. Stop that. Come on, Bethany.
So you gotta be very gentle with that.
Bro, his legs look like they broken.
Don't worry, that was not me. It may have got broken off the thing.
Stop moving it like that.
It's okay.
You want to give it shaking baby syndrome.
What a tick? What is that?
His butt.
I'll make sure it's alive. You alive, baby?
Bethany, stop checking it every 2 seconds. Here, we're going to put it on top of it.
Because that thing is dead. I'm making sure it's still alive when we put it up. You really want to come out here tomorrow? Actually, we can.
Oh, no. Actually, I don't want to come out here tomorrow and see this dead. I'm going to feel so bad.
You got a different confidence than I do.
It's a baby. Bro, I could kill a person and not give 2 cuts.
See, it's a baby bird, but it's already doomed for death.
Should we just put it back, like, just on the ground or some shit?
No, because